WP AI Suite review. Hey there, welcome to my review of WordPress AI Suite, WP AI Suite. In this video, we are going to go over how this app works, the different types of AI services you're going to get access to inside the members area, and basically the pros and cons of this specific type of system. Before we dive in, just to let you know, my name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit, and I earn a full-time income online with digital marketing. I've been doing this from home for well over 10 years now, seeing lots of these different systems come and go in that time, so hopefully all that experience will help you out as you research WP AI Suite reviews. Also, if you want to discover my number one system to plug into right now for generating a realistic income online, then click the link below. Click the Web Traffic Toolkit link in the video description below. That's my number one system, a complete done-for-you system, and it's a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click that link in the video description below for that top recommended online system. So with WP AI Suite, it's another one of the software launches which claims to give you unlimited access to a number of top big brand, well-known AI services all under one roof, and they claim you can save lots of money compared to buying the monthly pro subscriptions of each of these tools. This seems to be quite a popular hook on sales pages nowadays, is have this compilation of different AI tools all packaged into one members area. It seems to be quite a profitable marketing approach because lots of these AI tools do tend to appear on the leaderboards of these software launches because people are getting access to lots of different services and they're using big brand names to market them all as part of one low cost price. However, I'm always skeptical that you are actually getting access to the tools they say inside the members area. You just have to take their word for it. That's the tools they're actually tapping into behind the scenes when they use AI to create a task, an output of a task for you. Another unique feature about WP AI Suite is this is accessed via not necessarily a members area, but it's more a WordPress plugin you install on your own WordPress installation. So then you can use the app within WordPress, and then it's a bit more easy to integrate with a blog post you may want to publish to integrate with the AI output that has just been generated. So you can more easily copy and paste that into a blog post, but you don't really need to use this on an active blog you're building. You can just install it on any website you have just to make use of the tools, even if you don't choose to build out the website you have it installed on. So that's a unique part of this software launch. Also, as part of WordPress AI Suite, you've got all the branded names appearing in your WordPress dashboard, and then you click each one to do a certain task. So you might have ChatGPT for text and output generation, and then you've got some other outputs such as Midjourney for images. You've got Deep AI for other graphics as well. So these are quite big name companies. I'm always skeptical you're going to save on the pro versions. Normally to access some of these big tools, you're going to need to, they'll probably be using the free versions. That a lot of these tools give away a certain free usage per day. It'll probably be tapping into that, or maybe asking for credit upgrades to make more use of these tools. It doesn't make much sense that a product can be launched for one low price and get hundreds of dollars a month worth of usage out of it. There's going to have to be some either credit upgrades or limited free usage on the front end to actually make that a viable product. So a couple of other big name company tools appear in the members area. Is obviously you've got the ChatGPT ones, you've got Google Gemini, you've got access to the Sora, which is a video generation tool. You've got Midjourney for images, you've got 11 Labs for AI voiceovers, you have got Whisper AI for audio transcriptions, you've got Runway Gen 1 Access for 4K HD videos, you've got Claude, access to Claude, Leonardo again for graphics, Stable Fusion, 11 Labs, Adobe Firefly, ClipDrop, Synthesizer for text to video. You've got Jasper Art, Metalama, Deep AI. So there's a lot of big name tools for lots of different graphics tasks and text tasks, videos. So I think you're get some good use out of these tools. I'm just skeptical they are using the brand names they claim for each of these tools. For example, they may have a graphic generation tool and they're claiming it's Leonardo because that's one of the biggest graphic names, but it could just be a generic AI tool that creates graphics using some sort of white label behind the scenes license. But they're just using the brand names to promote it. Again, with 11 Labs, they could have a generic voiceover artist software and they claim it's the official 11 Labs one, where behind the scenes they could be using a more cheaper AI tool that's easier to integrate into a product like this. It's hard to tell what actual tool is used behind the scenes. I guess you have to give them the benefit of the doubt and that they're somehow tapping into some free API usage access that they can provide to members of this paid product. But I'm skeptical they are using the pro versions of each brand name all at once. I don't see how that's going to be realistic to create a product around that. However, I think you still get good use out of the AI tools they have in the members area. It's unique to have it as part of a WordPress plugin on your own website rather than just a membership suite. And I think you can still get some good output from these tools and put them to good use either as a freelancer or using for your own internet marketing campaigns. So there's both pros and cons in terms of what you get as part of WP AI Suite. Anyway, thanks a lot for checking out my review. If you want to discover my number one system to plug into right now for generating a realistic income online, then click the link below. Click the Web Traffic Toolkit link in the video description below. That's my number one system. It's a complete done-for-you system, and it's a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click that link in the video description below for my number one recommended online system. Thanks again for checking out my WP AI Suite review. All the best, guys, and speak soon.